Anyway, this is a Monday. What's new? I have visitors. I do let people in this garage sometimes. They were like this big when. Oh, actually, you were a butterball when you were born.
I'm thinking this big.
She was a butterball.
Oh, like this big.
I think she was like 8 something pounds. We had we didn't have infants when
I think that
we had like little meatballs.
I think the second middle was 12,000 pounds.
Yeah, 12,000-pound baby. We give birth to elephants over here. Anyway,
We are not elephants.
this week the garage is supposed to start moving. Supposedly, I don't know. I'm taking some of this junk out of here, putting in storage. I think most of the crap that I won't be putting in the garage, like probably the wood stuff and just random crap. What else? I don't know. Probably all the bikes hanging up and all the weird shit. I'll take out of here, like the thing hanging above my head. Probably some of the boxes up there I'll take off here. Some of the bike parts might go. Most of the tools are going to go in the garage over there. What else? What else is new? We got some Honda parts. We still have a plethora of really cool vice grip videos coming. I got 3 or 4 vice grips that I never seen before, and hopefully you never seen. I have some videos of me chopping these things up. I should take a video of the people in the comments section of the cast iron group that are all pissed off that I've been chopping cast iron up. But if I find more, I'll keep chopping. I got a lot of people who want me to make spatulas for them. I'm like, you know what? I can go and wait all day to look for cracked pens when I can just take my angle grinder and crack it myself. What else? Bought a couple of consumables. And it's going to be really interesting packing this place up and moving it probably, you figure, a couple 100 feet around the building, either side. And I still want to build another garage over there. So I might move over there and then move over there eventually. Why? Because if I build another garage and it's all mine and I drop dead, they can build a house out of it. So other than that, there's not much else new other than the visitor we have here.
I am not a visitor.
Visitor. You were a visitor on my channel because you haven't been on my channel in a while. Last time she was like, what, 5 inches shorter?
I was 7 when I was on the channel.
You were 7? 7 years old. Don't tell them how old you are now. She acts like she's 94 now. I can't do it. Oh, I hurt. Clean up your room. I can't. Hold on. Whiny brat. Anybody else have kids? They're all crazy. Yeah, we were all kids once. We all tortured our parents. Yep. Real torture. So anyway, I'll bring the other. I gotta bring the little mini me on. Oh, we'll never get him out of here. He's a devil.
How I tools, everything.
He's just gonna be tools. Probably
How
choppers.
I tools.
I'll try to take it all home. So anyway, I think that's it. Oh, what else did I do? I don't know. Oh, yeah. I sent the bike out for sandblasting and paint the frame. I got 3 triple trees coming back, and hopefully by the time I put this video out, which would be, because this is not. Please stop and make a noise. By the time I upload this, which is probably in 3 weeks, because all the weekly what's new are all a couple weeks behind, I will probably have the bike but you'll probably have seen a video of this 3-wheeler back together. Will I ever get them running? I have no idea. I'm not an engine person, but I'm good at taking stuff apart. Yeah. Will I be able to get it running? Hope so. But I'm getting it in piece together. I might need some of your help doing engine problems. And anyway, like, subscribe, tell us that you like the channel, make lots of noise in the middle of a video, and thanks for watching. Toodles. Don't forget to click
Make lots
share.
of noise at your house.
Thanks for watching. Toodles.
Bye.